Now let's see how we can update some additional fields into the collection. Now let's visit our collection db.employee.find.pretty. So this is our collection right now. Currently the collection has four fields: underscore ID, fname, gender and salary. And if you are updating the existing fields, that's completely fine. But what if I want to update Vaidik with the additional field of city? Is it possible? Let's look into that. So what I'll do, db dot employee dot update, and here first thing that is the JSON for the search criteria. So I'll write fname equals Vedic. So that is the search criteria for the update, comma, second parameter is the values that you want to set. So using $set operator, and you need to provide the JSON. So I want to add city. This is the new field. City field is not available within the collection right now. So city is Nagpur. This is the second parameter, and I'll close the update condition. Now what you can see here is I am updating the fname Vedic with the field name city, which doesn't exist within the current collection and within the current document. So will it work or not? Let's see that. As soon as you enter, you can see that n matched one and n modified one. It means that the Vedic record is found and it is modified. Okay, let's see the record. You can see that the additional field is added into the collection and the document Vedic. So it is possible to add additional fields with the update within MongoDB. If that field does not exist, it will add that particular field to the specific document that you want to modify. So this is completely possible, no issue at all. Now let's see how to update the multiple data. We'll see that as well. So db dot employee dot update, then you need to provide the condition. I'm writing it in the two different styles so that this one is pretty clear to understand. First JSON is actually the search criteria, comma, the second JSON is for the setting of the values. But generally the developers across the globe write like this syntax that I'm writing right now. This is not preferred one, but this is I just wrote for the better understanding. There are two parameters separated by comma. So now let's follow the actual syntax. So here I would like to update a record with the name Vedic, and this is my first thing, that is the search criteria. And after that I want to set the stuff. So I'll write $set, and after $set you need to write down the values that you need to set. I want to set the salary. Let's make the salary to something different, say 80,000. Go to the city, and I want to change the city to Pune. So record is, I want to update two fields now. So if you want to update multiple fields, you can provide it within the set separated by commas. So here I'll close the curly brace and bracket, and you can see that matched one and updated one or modified one. Let's see the record, and here both the fields modified for the given document. So stay tuned for more commands in MongoDB. Thanks.